Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm standing under a desert willow. Not a willow at all, but it gets its willow part of its common name because of the long, narrow leaves. You can see, very willow-like. But, you've all seen pussy willows, and the pussy willows, the little catkins, are the flowers of a willow. And these flowers don't look at all like a willow. It's actually a very close relative of catalpa in the Bignoniaceae family. And the scientific name of the desert willow is Chilopsis linearis. Linearis referring to the linear, narrow leaves. And it's first cousin to catalpa. And the two can hybridize. I don't know if they'll hybridize on their own, but certainly humans have made that cross. And then the hybrid gets called Chilopsis, combining a bit of both generic names. But desert willow is native to the southwestern U.S. and northern Mexico, so California, Nevada, Arizona, and Texas into northern Mexico. It's always been fully hardy here. The ones at the J.C. Ralston Arboretum in Raleigh have been probably in that garden for 40 years, never suffer any cold damage. And we've been exceptionally dry this year and doesn't grumble about dry spells. This is a fairly typical color. There are a number of garden selections. There are pure white ones. There are darker purple ones. There's one called Bubba that is that you can see at the Ralston Arboretum that is a dark purple. And you might notice the bumblebee, or the bumblebee just crawled in the flower, and now he's coming back out. With those long, big-throated flowers, their main pollinators are bumblebees, carpenter bees, and similar large bees. It's amazing how bumblebees respond to the promise of a goodie later on after visiting the flower. But Chilopsis is in bloom for many months during the summer months. They are naturally sort of open and rangy looking, but to have these beautiful flowers through the worst part of summer is really a nice feature of the plant. It is deciduous. I don't remember them having any fall color as they drop their leaves, but certainly enjoy their long period of bloom. Thank you for your time again, and I hope to see you again in the garden.